What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and in today's video we're talking about the return of horsepower to Stellantis. Specifically, I'm going to talk a little bit about Ram, and I'm talking about the TRX and maybe even something bigger, because the TRX that is coming back is not what you're used to. We're going to talk about all that and more right after this. Before I get into today's video, guys, I got to talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is OBD Tech. The giveaway on the Ram 2500 could be coming to an end today. It literally depends on inventory. Now, I had several people email me and ask me, I already ordered the scan tool. If I pick up one of the extra entries, does that make my original order 2500X? Yes. To be clear, they said that they wanted to multiply everybody's orders if they, to help close out the existing inventory that they had and give people more chances to win. So if you've already ordered one of the scan tools previously and you pick up any of the extra entries that are on the site now, it will make your original order with the extra entries a total of 2500X entries. So if you've already picked up a scan tool, yes, you can increase your original order's entries. I guess I didn't make that clear or whatever in the update post. But anyways, that's there. It's up there now. If you pick up any of the extra entries that are there and you've already ordered a scan tool, it will increase your original order to 2500X. Now, if they sell out of inventory this evening, we're not going to do the announcement or do the poll for who wins the 2500 tonight for obvious reasons. We want to make sure that they're able to update everybody's original orders for those scan tools to 2500X, so we'll do it the next day. So that means Christmas Eve. If they sell out tonight, we'll do the poll for Christmas Eve. If it doesn't, if they don't sell out tonight, then we'll do it Christmas Day. I don't care. Or maybe the day after Christmas. It just depends on what everybody has going on and what everybody wants. And I just got the notification. So one of them went. Now, I know they had 19 remaining scan tools. That's it. When they go, that's it. That's it. The whole thing shuts down. That means no more extra entries, no more 2500X. When they're gone, they're gone. We'll close it out. They'll update the entries for the people that jumped in, and that's what we'll do. But anyways, if you want to jump in, that's how you do it. TK'sgarage.bigcartel.com. Most likely that 2500 Ram heavy-duty truck is going to end at some point today. Let's jump into the video. I appreciate you guys dealing with that. I've seen some people complaining about us talking about the giveaways or talking about our sponsors here recently, but unfortunately for us at TK's Garage, we don't make any money here on the channel, and it's been that way for months. So we got to do what we got to do to allow us to continue to do this. Haha. If you hear that noise in the background, that's my BMW laughing at the state trooper and the median who thought they were going to catch me driving the speed limit. Anyways, so the TRX is coming back. All right, we've seen what's happened with the Raptor, right? The Raptor R, and we know what those horsepower numbers are and what Ford's doing and some of the extra kits you can buy. But what's about to come with the TRX on January 1st is going to be insane. I can just pull this, that way we don't have to hear that while we're driving. It's going to be insane. And what I mean by it being insane is You know, I've heard people asking me, well, TK, what's going on with the stage kits? What's going on with the stage kits for this vehicle, that vehicle? I can tell you this, they're all coming. With the new policies that the administration has put down, CAFE standards basically out the window, Stellantis and Direct Connection, i.e. Dodge, Direct Connection, and Ram Direct Connection, can now put out insane products that won't void your warranty, that could go onto a vehicle, that are going to pull out insane power numbers. The TRX coming back alone by itself, going to be insane. Hopefully Tim's not mad that I say this. And Tim doesn't know that I know what I already know. Right? But could you imagine they talk about the TRX and then you know, Tim Kaniskis goes, oh yeah, but one more thing. Yeah, this horsepower number on this truck is nice. It's already better than what anything that Ford could put out. But if you wanted to have Demon 170 numbers, you can buy this kit that won't void the warranty and make this thing an absolute friggin' monster. 1,000 horsepower? I don't know. I don't know what the horsepower number is. I just know that the horsepower numbers that they're talking about are the best in the industry. The best in the industry. Now, you combine that with some aftermarket suspension stuff where, you know, the thing with the Raptor's always been like, you can jump that truck from the factory and it's fine. And you can drive it home, no problems. The TRX, yeah, we've seen some of that. We saw Speed 717 jump his over some shit, and it was cool. Like, it was still drivable. It was fucked up, but it was still drivable. Could we see that from Ram? Maybe. I think some of the announcements, and it's starting, this is why you know it's about to be nuts in 2026. They're starting, and I'm glad they delayed it and didn't announce it this year. They're starting day one of 2026 with Hold My Beer. Ram is starting, that's going to be the title of the video. Ram is starting the year of 2026 with Hold My Beer. Hold my beer. Hey, y'all, watch this. That's what 2026 is going to be. Hey, y'all, watch this. Hold my beer 2026. That's what it's going to be. TRX, SRT trucks, massive horsepower, big ass Hemis, 426s, and maybe even bigger. Insane shit is coming in 2026. The horsepower numbers are going to be like Ford. That's cute. That's what's coming. The monsters have been let loose at CTC. And the horsepower dominance, and Butter the Insider has talked about this in detail, talking about the last Project Hellcat, the last generation, which started around 2015, might look small in comparison to what we're about to get in this generation. And I agree. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like I said, if you want to jump in on that Ram 2500, you're more than welcome to do so. If you've already picked up one of the scan tools, but you want to get those 2500X entries, you can pick up one of the extra entries and upgrade your original order to that very simply. And I think there's two options there. Cheap, jump on it. But anyways, until next time, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And as always, we're getting back to it. Stay petty, my friends.